Science behind modern war. Missile technology, radar systems, and military engineering. Explained modern wars are no longer fought only by soldiers. Today, conflicts involve advanced engineering technologies like hypersonic missiles, AI drones, satellite systems, and powerful air defense networks. One of the most important technologies in modern warfare is the ballistic missile. Engineering aspects you can explain: propulsion system, solid fuel rocket motors, liquid fuel engines, multi-stage rockets, guidance system, GPS navigation, inertial navigation systems, INS, AI-assisted targeting re-entry, vehicle design, heat shields, aerodynamic stability materials that survive temperatures above 3,000 degrees Celsius. Countries use radar systems to detect incoming missiles. Engineering concepts: radar technology, radio waves detect objects in the sky, Doppler radar measures speed, interceptor missiles, guided missiles launched to destroy incoming threats. Example systems used globally include missile defense technologies like Iron Dome and Patriot missile system. Modern military systems depend heavily on satellites. Engineering uses GPS navigation, missile tracking, communication networks. Weather monitoring satellites allow real-time data from thousands of kilometers away. Artificial intelligence in warfare AI is becoming a major engineering component. Applications include target detection, drone swarm coordination, cyber defense systems, battlefield data analysis. Modern conflicts show how engineering and science are shaping the future of defense technology. From rocket propulsion to AI-powered drones, engineering innovations are changing how wars are fought.